Hey there, are you seeing the failed to check for updates reconnect message when opening up Genshin Impact on your PC? No worries, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix this error on your PC. So, let's fix it together, shall we? Solution 1. Clear network configuration settings. Click on the search icon and type CMD. Right-click on the command prompt, choose Run as Administrator and click Yes. Type netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. Then type ipconfig / flushdns and press enter. Next type ipconfig / release and press enter. Now type ipconfig / renew and press enter. After that, type netsh space int space ip space reset and press enter. Restart your computer and router. Check whether the error is gone. Solution 2. Switch to an efficient DNS server. Open command prompt, type ping 1111 and press enter. Type ping 8888 and press enter. Identify the DNS server with the lowest ping. Go to the settings, click on Network and Internet and click on Ethernet. Edit DNS server assignment, select Manual and turn on IPv4 if off. Add the preferred DNS server with the lowest ping. For alternate DNS, use 1001 if you're using 1111 DNS server. But if you're using 8888 DNS server, use 8844. Next, click Save. Now, check if the error is gone. Solution 4. Bypass launcher via File Explorer. Right-click on Genshin Impact on your PC. Select Open File Location. Open the Genshin Impact game folder. Double-click on genshinimpact.exe to open the game. Create a shortcut by right-clicking on the executable, selecting Show More options, and then clicking Create Shortcut. Click Yes on the pop-up to add a Genshin Impact shortcut to your desktop. That's it. You should now be able to launch Genshin Impact without getting the error. If you're still having trouble, leave a comment, and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a million for watching.